Okay, go show him. Show him how to play with it, Abigail.
I can miss baby you.
Good job. Are you sharing your toys?
Yes.
That's so sweet. What do you have on your face? Did you get paint on your face?
Yeah.
Do you think Luke likes the toy?
Yeah.
You do. Draw him another picture.
Okay.
What did you draw, Abigail?
Baby pumpkin.
A pumpkin?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness.
I.
Tell him what you're doing. Are you wiping it clean?
Mhm.
Tell him I'm wiping it clean so I can draw a new picture. He doesn't know you have to tell him what you're doing.
I got a new picture. I get it. There.
You think he's going to watch you?
There.
Did you do 2 E's?
Yeah.
Are you making a word? What sound does the letter E make? That's the letter T makes that t sound. E is eh, 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 eh. S. Good job. What other sounds do you know? Eh, eh, eh. That's right. E, eh, eh, eh. Elephant, egg, Easter. We do not do that, okay? We could hit somebody and that would not be good, okay? We have to use gentle hands. Can't throw things around baby brother or other kids for that matter. Okay? Yes, ma'am? You ready to eat dinner?
I'll be good dinner.
Okay.